Okay, so as far as the scope and importance of sociology are concerned, let's discuss it in depth. It is evident from its subject matter and the application which we've just discussed. Sociology is growing popular day by day in social life. It has two aspects: sociology as knowledge and sociology as profession. As knowledge, it is an end itself. Sociology explains social conditions of life and it guides in all social phenomena. Therefore, sociological knowledge is a tool of life for man. According to Shah Waliullah Muhammad Deolvi, this universe is governed by certain general laws. No event can happen without cause. All the events are interrelated together in chain. Therefore, to understand and control this universe, it is essential to gain its knowledge. Man seeks knowledge to understand and control this universe by prediction. Sociological knowledge provides these general laws of society. Hence, sociology as knowledge is itself an aim of sociologists. And when we talk about sociology as profession, it is becoming popular in Pakistani society. Sociologists are employed as teachers in colleges and universities of Pakistan. In the professional institutes, it is also being taught to the trainees of public administration in Rural Development Academy, Agricultural University, and medical sociology in medical colleges of Pakistan, nursing, business. When we come to research, in research, sociologists are employed in government, semi-government, and private organizations where sociologists are employed. Social Science Research Centers of universities, Family Planning Association, FPAP, Health Education Centers, Pakistan Institution of Development Economics, Board of Economic Industry, Medical Social Research Center, National Institution of Population Studies, NIPS, Population Council, PC, and Social Policy Development Center. So these are some of the most notable research centers where sociologists are employed. On administrative levels, a large number of sociologists are working in Pakistan. Among them, the following are important: health and social welfare, reclamation and probation, health and labor, town planning, jail department, power and irrigation, urban and rural community development projects, public administration, business administration, local government and community development, social security schemes, finance, planning and development, education. So let's discuss the importance of sociology. Due to the social changes in world societies, the people are facing various social problems. These problems are the product of social changes. For the solution of these problems, the new science of society was required. The emergence of sociology here was at proper time when, due to industrial revolutions, inventions, and discoveries, the world societies were facing new problems. Sociology explained such problems and solved them. In developing societies like Pakistan, this rapid social change disorganized the old customary boundaries of social life and replaced the new values and social systems instead. Human society faces social problems as human body gets diseases. Pakistani society is facing many social problems like party faction, illiteracy, mass failure in examinations, poor standard in education, unemployment, pollution, unrest among students, housing problem in cities, crime and delinquency, low yield per acre, sectarianism and terrorism, poverty, TB, maladjustment in family, divorce, suicide, abduction, labor strikes, neurosis, and drug addiction. There are so many other problems. These problems need research, planning, and solution in the light of sociological knowledge. The more the industrialization, technology, and education, the more urbanization. The more the urbanization, the more the social problems. Therefore, the attention of sociologists is seriously required for the solution of such social problems. Similarly, the importance of sociology is growing day by day in the advancing societies of the world. So this was all about the application, scope, and importance of sociology in today's world. Do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon beside it and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for listening.